So guys, this video is strictly for people that miss Notcoin, and this next one is TapSwap, and is going to have a lot of potential after listing, and I'm going to show you. So the first link in this video description is for TapSwap. You can click on that. So there's a lot of mining link in this video description after TapSwap, so you can click on any link or you can click on all to join. So you are going to get a lot of coins after they have been listed on whatever app. So I'm going to TapSwap now. So the first link in this video description is TapSwap. So this is it, and I'm going to click on back to TapSwap. I'm going to click on it. So guys, this is TapSwap now. How do you mine this TapSwap? Click on this the gold in the middle now. So this is the gold. You can see now that I'm mining by +10. So I'm mining now. So what you are going to do is, after you have get to the home page of TapSwap on Telegram, click on tags. So you are going to join our social. You can see 200,000 and connect Solana wallet. If you complete this, they are going to give you 100,000 now. And how do you complete this? Click connect Solana. You are going to download Phantom wallet. You can see you are going to download it. So guys, if your own is not going through, just keep trying. So download Phantom app on Google Play Store. So we are using Phantom app for this. After that, you can now claim they are going to give you 100,000 if you connect to Solana wallet on the Phantom app, and you can join their social list. You can see now, join the Telegram chat, follow X and do visit website. So you are going to earn 200,000 now. And let's go to Ref. So this is my referral list. Please make sure that you click the first link in this video description, and let's go to tap. So this is the middle one, their home page, where you are going to be tapping like this. And let's go to boost, the next one after tap. So this boost is when you are multi-tap, so you can buy it. You are going to, from your available coins, energy limits, you are going to buy that from your available coins, and recharging speed, you are going to buy that from your available coins. While the third one is tap boost. So I bought this yesterday with my available balance of 200,000 coins, TapSwap coins. So you can now see that it's available, it's active. This tap boost is active now, it's working underground now. And what you are going to do, okay, for your daily booster, so this one is 3. So your daily booster, the first one is Tapu Guru. So this Tapu Guru will let you, like, if you click on that, you are going to mine like 50, I think so. And this full tank, so this your full tank will let your tapping limits, your tapping limits to increase. And the stats, so this is the stats. I think this 30 trillion TapSwap coins, and this like total touches, total players, daily users is 5 million, total players is 12 million, online player is 179 people, as you can see. So make sure that you keep tapping like this, tapping like, and you can see this gold coins now. So you can see from 250,000. So let me go to tax. So this, okay, this under the tax now, there's one that is special, there's one that is leaks, and there's one that is ref tags. So under this leak is Phantom. You are going to be claim it. If you have 30,000 coins, you are going to claim it. If you have 50,000, you are going to claim it. If you have 100,000, you are going to claim it. And if you have 250,000, you are going to claim it. So depending on the coins that you have, if you have Elite, you are going to claim that. If you have legendary, we have over 5 million TapSwap coins, you are going to be in Matic. So that is all what you should know. And the third one is, last one is ref tags. Okay, if you invite 1 people, that is 2,500. Please make sure that you click the first link in this video description. As you can see. So look up to my TapSwap balance. Now you can see now that the tap boot is working underground. So this is what I do. I just use my 200,000 TapSwap coins to purchase that. Tap boost is working underground. So this is all what you should know. And please make sure that you subscribe, like this video, share this video, and make sure that you turn on your bell notification. I'm going to see you in TapSwap community. Peace.